folks, how you all doing? Today's the day. So the plan, giving the van a good blitz in now, just to proper clean out and, you know, refill all my tanks, empty the bog, all of that sort of thing. I've done various bits and bobs, ordered some sealant in case I get any leaks, so that's just turned up. And yeah, I'm ready. So I'm heading up to Aviemore, I think, to start with. I'm going to go up there because I've just been looking on YouTube on most recent for snow. Oh my god, I can't believe it, seriously. It looks like the Alps from what I could see on these videos. It just looks amazing, the amount of snow up there, so I'm very, very, very excited. Probably won't be able to film a huge amount today. I'm just going to be sorting out anyway. But I'll start filming from the moment I leave, of course, and we're going to have a big drive up there. I'm probably going to try and do it in a wanna, but I'm not leaving until quite late tonight, so I don't know, I'll see how I feel. Maybe I'll do half today, half tomorrow. I don't want to drive during the day because traffic and stuff, so we'll get up there and then touch base, see where we're at, and figure out the plan from there. But yeah, so that's the plan, and I hope you're all going to join me for the journey. Go miss me?
No.
Oh, you'll be up next week, isn't you?
It won't be next week. If I come up, I'll only be able to afford to come up once. No, I best just go back to bed in there. Oh, take me with you. Oh God.
There it is. The last Marieism for a little while.
Sad times. Sad.
The journey begins with the petrol station. Yeah, sad leaving Marie. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she'll be able to sort her work stuff out and come join me soon. But yeah, this is a throwback, isn't it? It's like back in the day. Getting in the van on my own, about to do a massive drive.
You want to join on YouTube?
I am, yeah.
So whereabouts you travelling?
I'm on the way up to Scotland now.
Where have you been so far?
All over Europe.
All over Europe?
Yeah, man.
How long have you been doing?
I've lived in here nearly 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Leicester.
You're from
originally,
Leicester?
Yeah.
What made you do this thing?
I don't know, just freedom, innit? No rent, no mortgage.
2 years?
Yeah.
Wow. Like an army vehicle.
It's kind of how I made it look.
I'll subscribe to you.
Oh, awesome.
And I'll follow your journey. Is that recording there?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Well, all the best.
Yeah,
Take
nice
care.
one, buddy.
Alright,
Cheers.
see you later, mate.
Yeah, good to meet you, dude. I don't know if I'm going to make it all the way because it's like a 9-hour drive or something daft. See what the sat-nav's saying. But I don't know, I'll see how I feel. I ain't going to drive if I get too tired. This is my normal setup. So I have the GPS on here, but I mainly use it just for the speedo and for the trips. And then I have the nav going on here because this has live updates for traffic and that doesn't. If you're interested. Most of you probably aren't, but I know there's some geeks in there just like me. Pretty funny, I managed to get 3 miles up the road and I needed screen wash. Oh, okay, let's start again. Go. We are still 3 hours into here, 3 hours driving in. 5 hours to go. It's fine. Drove back from Lithuania in one go, which was 36 hours driving. I drove back from Chamonix in one go, which was like 24, 28, I don't know, can't remember. Yeah, I can definitely manage an 8-hour drive. Come on. I'm not that old yet. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I managed to take the wrong exit on the motorway and went down some crazy back road for about 20 miles. No idea where I am. It's great content, this, isn't it? Absolutely top drawer content, this. Don't know where I am, don't know what I'm doing. Not really got anything else to tell you, so I'm just going to keep driving. Need of a coffee. I'm almost in Scotland, like a couple of miles away. That's what this episode's going to be. You just watching me slip gradually into insanity over the coming hours. This scenic, innit? This life on the road. Look at them views. I've made the managerial decision to sack it off. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. No, it's 2:30 in the morning. And I am... So, what I'm going to do, because I need diesel, so there's Gretna Green up here. Can't imagine that's going to be particularly cheap. 35 minutes away, slightly off course, there's a Tesco. So, I'm going to head for there. Or there's a Tesco filling station anyway. And then just find a park for night somewhere, I think. Call it a night, because I just checked the spot and it was saying 6:15. I ain't got time for that. Because also, the chances are there's probably going to be bloody snow there, isn't there? Obviously. Driving on snow when I'm tired like this, in the dark, probably not the smartest idea. So, I reckon that's a good plan. What do you think? Go to this petrol station, see how I feel. Might get a second wind, but I don't fancy it, to be honest. Don't really want to crash on day one, you know what I mean? Look at that BP over there, £1.47. There it is, folks. Scotland. Bloody made it. You gotta be taking the piss. All the pumps have got cones on them. Oh my god, are you joking though? Oh, fuming. Absolutely fuming. Oh, this is stupid. The goddamn thing said it was 24 hour. Alright, apparently there's a park up 4 minutes away. So I'll go check that out. If that's alright, then I can come back here tomorrow. Because I was right, it is cheap. £1.25. So worth filling up here. Not particularly nice by any stretch of imagination, but it's right on the main road, but oh well. No, screw that. Changed my mind. This spot's giving me the willies. I just found one a lot better looking, not very far away, so it's worth it because I ain't going to sleep here. This is spooky as fuck. Nearly broke my own rule then, didn't I? The whole don't settle business. Here I am, night one, settling for a murderer spot. Jesus, I think everyone else had the same idea. God. Well, park right near to an estuary, I think it is. Love my van. Oh god. Oh. So I've got to be out of here by 9 AM. Oh, great. There's another spot a quarter of a mile down the road that's not a car park. It says 2 spaces, so if there's campers there, I'm going to kill myself. I do apologise if you're in the van next door and I wake you up at 4 o'clock in the morning. But ultimately, I ain't getting up at 9. I just lit the bloody log burner as well, so if you can drive with the log burner on, you can. But you do kind of look like a steam train, a little bit. Come on, please, everyone just cross your fingers and toes for me. Cross everything and pray that this spot is empty. Please. Oh, you absolute legend. That's a bit more like it. That, ladies and gentlemen, is more me. Okay, now I'm happy. Call me picky, I don't care. You wait till you see this view in the morning. It's considerably better. Whoa, starry. Oh, God. I forgot how starry it was up here. See if I can get a photo of what I can see right now. It's pretty goddamn starry. Right, I'm done. I shall see you all later on today. Catch you in a